Hey guys, how's it going? So today I am making a video for you guys on fire making. So first of all, there are a lot of ways to actually start a fire and to build it. So what I've done here is I've done the TP method, which is you just kind of build a little rounded cone out of sticks with your tinder here in the center. You should always leave a space so you can put more tinder in case it doesn't light or something like that. So we have 4 types of tinder today. We have newspaper, which you can just kind of crumple up and shove under there. We have dryer lint, which you want to make sure that you kind of like break it up and spread it out so that way there's more oxygen and it actually burns a lot longer. Then we also have toilet paper rolls, which you can kind of just tear up into small pieces like this. And then our last one, which I'm actually using in the fire today, is going to be cotton balls, which the way that they're made so that way it starts at one spot and it rolls up, so then you can just unravel it like this into one little long strip, and then whenever you get it all the way unraveled, you just kind of pick at it and pull it apart and make sure that there's space in between all the fibers and everything, so that way there's a lot more oxygen in it, and make sure that it will actually burn well and not get halfway through it and go out. So once we actually have that spread out, as long as you've left a space somewhere in your fire, you can put it under. And then we also have 3 methods of lighting it today. We have a lighter, pretty self-explanatory. We have matches. These ones are waterproof. Those are always nice. And then we also have flint and steel, which for the steel part you can actually use just a pocket knife, not just, you can really use any kind of blade really. I'm going to be using a pocket knife just because that's what I have today. And we also have some water in case it gets out of control. And so you always want to have some kind of water bucket to make sure that you're being safe. So let's go ahead and light this up. And there we go. So you always want to make sure that your pocket knife is closed up if you're not using it. And so as we can see here, it lights the sticks, and then those will spread onto the other sticks. And because this one's just for demonstration purposes, it's not going to be big, and I'm not going to keep adding fuel to it. This is just all I'll really have. But usually whenever you're actually making a fire and expecting it to last for a long while, you want to have, you're first going to start off with something like we had here with some smaller sticks, and then you're going to add a bit bigger stuff as it keeps burning, and as you just keep adding more and more, it'll last longer and longer. So that's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys around.